We're always looking for unique foundation plants that we can use as an accent that have different colors or different kinds of flowers that make nice attributes and companion plants to other things. And one of the plants we've used for a lot of years is the purple-leafed Weigela, because it's got that beautiful foliage.
Right. I mean, that purple leaf that we can't get in barberry anymore because of the fact that we can't grow barberry. So that's always been very unique. But here we have a couple of varieties that have a lot of other colors in the leaf. And these have been working really well for us.
Yeah, and this one is My Monet, is what they've called. And we featured this plant before because we like it so much because of its petite size and that beautiful leaf color.
Yeah, I mean, it starts out, it's got this pink on the edges of the leaves, which eventually all go to white. And then it does have like a mauve colored flower in the spring, though I don't really grow it so much for the flower because the leaf is so good all year long.
Right.
And this has proven itself to be quite compact and really not grow very fast.
Right.
Okay.
And a little newer on the scene is My Monet Sunset, which is, you know, a similar plant to that, but it just gets a little bit bigger, and the coloration in it is just a little bit different, where this has got more kind of those pink colors. This is kind of different shades of yellow to it, and it's just got kind of a more open shape.
Yeah, I mean, when this first came out in the spring, you look down and the leaves were all green. It's like, I was very disappointed. And then when that finally pushed the second flush, it's really, really striking. And then, I mean, they got a really nice curl, wavy leaf too. So the leaf itself, you know, is really, really quite pretty.
It's an interesting texture.
And one of the other aspects of these, very careful to say that it's deer proof, but it's very deer resistant. For the most part, the deer leave it alone, but I would never guarantee that they won't touch it at all. So, but another great attribute for it.
And this has a flower in the spring as well, so that's one of the signature things about Weigela. So if you're going to use these in a foundation planting, you know, the My Monet, you know, original gets maybe about 2 by 2, very compact. This one can get, you know, a little bit bigger, so I would say give it space enough for maybe, you know, 2.5, 3 feet or so. Just space them out a little bit further. So thank you for joining us today. I'm Liz Snyder.
And I'm Jim Hotelling, the Home Gardeners from Hillside Garden Landscaping.